After with some cushy, yeah, that boy is fresh. She like water like so, let me check my taste. Yes, I like women, I like sex. Yes, I'ma ask her for something.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Zoe, and I'm back in this house once again. And today, special video. We got a Cooking with Zoe, man. Cooking with Zoe, man. So, y'all enjoy this little Zoe special real quick. You know, I ain't made this one in a little minute. So, today, we got pork chops. Y'all will see. Just pay attention to the video, man. All right, we got some steaks right here. And now, we are finna season them up. Season them up how you like to season, man. So, yeah, I like to season my steak with not just salt and pepper, because, you know, look at my skin color. Exactly. So, we're going to use seasoning salt instead of just plain salt. We're going to use, obviously, some black pepper. Onion powder, gotta hit that. And garlic powder, I love garlic powder. And then thyme, for sure, that's gonna be the end. We're gonna put butter and thyme in the pan at the end. But yeah, now we finna season up. And now, we're gonna season. Season to your heart's content. All right, now we season. I'm using seasoning salt instead of just basic salt, obviously. Some black pepper. Gotta put that on your food. Got to. Always need the pepper. That is garlic powder, as you see. Always gotta put garlic powder, you know. Us people down south, we love garlic powder. Onion powder, essential. That's the basics. I did put some Everglades seasoning salt also on top of it when I put it in the pan, but I don't think I had that part in the video, LOL. Yeah, just doing the other side too now, so yeah. All right, now you want to put some olive oil in the pan and get ready to put them down. Then you want to set your temperature on, like, I don't know, like midway, a little bit above midway. I don't know the proper terms for heating, but yeah, then you want to put them in the pan. It should be sizzling a little bit, so you want to let that oil sit in there for a little bit. And then you want to put them in the pan. For sure. And then I would say let them cook on each side for about 10 minutes maybe. Maybe a little less, maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. And then flip them and let them cook on the other side as well. Yes, sir. And that's how they're supposed to look on the plate. Now I just put them in the microwave and let them sit. But now I've finished all of my food. Yes, it looks immaculate. That's how it should look. It should come out like this. It was really good. Not gonna lie, it was pretty good. Yeah, I made another plate for my dad. It was my night to cook, and he enjoyed it too. So, yep, WV, man.